Hi, the shot I want to show you today is a shot that comes up playing 8-ball perhaps, straight pool, maybe one pocket, and it's a situation where you're a little low here, you don't really have a cut shot, but you've got two balls about a ball apart. And what we're going to do is we're going to carom off the one ball, sending the cue ball in this direction and cutting the 6-ball into the pocket. Let's see how it plays out. That's a good little shot to have in your arsenal, and it comes up every once in a while.